Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use if and or function in Excel. So if you want to learn how to use if and or function, this video will show you how to do it. I have two example. Okay, first example is this and second example is this. So first we will learn here how to use if and or function, then we will learn here how to use if and or function. Okay, so here you will see I have this name, student name, their maths subject mark and science subject mark. Now I want to create result according to their marks. Okay, so we have to use if and or function. So how to use it? Equals to, first type if, then you have to type or. Okay, then I want that if student has less than 40, then the student will fail, and if student has more than 40, the student will get passed. Okay, so what you have to do, or then bracket, then choose first cell. Now if or C3 cell is greater than 40, comma, T3 mark is greater than 40, then you have to close the comma or column, this bracket, comma, then what will happen, inverted comma, pass, comma, if it does not happen, then inverted comma, fail, bracket close. Now you will see bracket closed. Okay, now 5. So you will see Priya is failed and both student has passed. So like this you can use this if and or function, and then I will show you here. This is the table. Here you will see this is customer name, purchase amount, VIP status and discount approved. Now I want to create this, whether these customers are discount approved or not, means this customer has a discount access or not. Okay, so on the basis of these two column I want to create that list. Okay, so we will use if and or function, then first if, comma, or bracket open, or, then if this customer purchase amount is more than 5,000, more than 5,000, comma, and he has VIP status. Okay, so D3 is equals to yes. You have to equals to, then inverted comma open, yes, inverted comma close, then not happen, then inverted comma yes, inverted comma close, otherwise no, bracket close. So now you will see. So like this you can use if and or function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.